How about raking in as much as $1,000 a month in 2024? And guess what? You can do it while sitting in your comfiest PJs at home, thanks to the magic of AI. Today, we are about to drop some knowledge that could have your bank account looking like a phone number. Number 1. Selling stickers. Now, you might be thinking, stickers? Seriously? But yes, stickers can be your golden ticket. Just take a look at this Etsy seller who only started their sticker business in 2020. In just 3 years, they've managed to sell over 196,000 stickers and have raked in over a mind-blowing $1.1 million. Yeah, you heard that right. That's a cool $336,000 per year, or approximately $34,650 per month. Stickers may seem small, but the profits are huge. But how do you create these sticker designs that'll turn heads and wallets? Enter Midjourney, your new best friend in the AI realm. This magical program is a text-to-image generator that transforms your simple text descriptions into full-blown, jaw-dropping sticker designs. And the best part? They're all 100% copyright-free. Now, let's get creative, folks. Imagine you want a sticker of a cat playing video games. Simply type it into Midjourney and make sure to add sticker in the description. And voila! You've got yourself a super cool sticker design, thanks to the AI. But what if you're like, I have no clue what stickers I want? Well, don't worry, we've got a solution for that too. Meet your new brainstorming buddy, ChatGPT. All you need to do is type in, "Give me descriptive ideas for sticker designs," and watch the AI magic happen. ChatGPT will start churning out fantastic ideas faster than you can say sticker paradise. Now, here's where the fun begins. You can mix things up by throwing in words like cute or changing the animal from a cat to maybe a fox. How about the fox reading a book instead of playing video games? The possibilities are endless, and the AI is here to make your sticker dreams come true. We've talked about the sticker business, but now comes the crucial part, selling those bad boys. You know, it's not enough to just have these fantastic sticker designs. You got to get them out there in the world. So how do you go about it? Well, there are 2 ways to tackle this, and we've got the lowdown. The first option is to team up with a print-on-demand company. They handle all the printing and shipping for you, and it's as easy as pie. You sit back and let them do the work while you rake in the profits. Easy, right? But here's the deal. You'll have to split the earnings with the print-on-demand folks. Now, if you're the type who wants to pocket as much moolah as possible, you can roll up your sleeves and take the DIY route. That's right, print stickers at home and ship them yourself. But hold on, before you start sweating bullets, this is a whole lot simpler than it sounds. All you need is a regular printer. Yeah, that one that you use for printing off pictures of your cousin's pet iguana. Then grab an electric cutting machine. It may sound fancy, but trust me, it's not as complicated or wallet-wrecking as it might seem. And last but not least, you'll need some affordable sticker paper. You can snag them on Amazon for about 27 cents a pop. These mailers are like the bouncers of the sticker world. They keep your precious stickers safe and unbent during their journey to sticker-loving homes. And then comes the labeling. Use Etsy's shipping label tool, especially if you're selling your stickers on Etsy. Number 2, selling wedding invitations. You know those beautiful wedding invitations you receive in the mail and you're like, wow, someone put some real love into making these. Well, guess what? You can make $1,000 or more by selling those little works of art. Sounds insane, right? Let's talk about it. Etsy is the go-to place for selling wedding invitations. You might be thinking, wait, me, an AI creating wedding invitations? And the answer is a resounding yes. AI is your wedding invitation wizard, and the cash is waiting for you. So here's the deal. We found a seller on Etsy who's raked in close to $1.5 million from selling wedding invitations. That's right, $1.5 million. And if you're not impressed by that, we don't know what will impress you. Let's break it down for you. We're going to work some magic with AI using a tool called Midjourney. It helps us create some super classy wedding invitations. Then we use the upscale feature to make the images look crystal clear and ready to impress. Now remember, these invitations need to be customized for the lovebirds. You don't want the same names on every invitation, right? So we head over to another magical tool called Photopea, which is a free version of Photoshop, and we brush out the AI-generated text. The names need to be personal, right? Then we add the customer's names, just like that. And that's not all, folks. On your Etsy listing for these beauties, there's a spot for the lovebirds to type in their names. You'll be their fairy godmother, creating these dreamy invitations with their names sprinkled all over. We export this art as a PDF, printed out on some fancy cardstock, cheap cardstock of course, and voila, you're in business. The next step is easy as pie. Just print out the shipping label, pack those lovely invitations, and send them on their way. You're helping lovebirds announce their big day in style, and you're making bank while doing it. Number 3. Selling bookmarks. One Etsy seller has already raked in over 8,200 sales and bagged almost 80 grand. And the best part? You can easily do this along your day job, making it a fabulous side hustle to hit that $1,000 mark in 2024. So let's dive into the fun part. Imagine you're creating a pile of bookmarks, and you don't need to be an art genius to do it. We've got AI on our side, specifically the good old Midjourney. The AI will do all the design work for you. It's like having a personal artist at your beck and call. These designs are impressive, and you can let your imagination run wild. Want bookmarks with animals reading books on them? No problem. Or how about some with your favorite anime characters? The possibilities are endless. And since it's the AI doing the heavy lifting, you can churn out a fair number of designs in no time. But hey, we're not done yet. Once you've got your designs lined up, we'll jump over to Photopea and set up shop. Open a new project, choose the A4 option, that's the size of standard printing paper, and bring in one of those bookmark images you created with the AI. Rotate it so the bookmark goes down the paper in a long, elegant line. Fancy, right? Now comes the fun part. You can either print directly from Photopea or export as a PNG and print it that way. To get those bookmarks to pop, use a slightly thicker, textured cardstock paper. It'll make them feel premium, like something out of a fancy bookstore. If you're feeling extra, you can laminate them using a cheap laminating tool. It's like giving your bookmarks a VIP pass to the Durability Club. And here's a neat trick. You can add tassels for a touch of elegance. A hole puncher and some tassels from an arts and crafts store, and you're good to go. Offer fancy upgrades like lamination or tassels, and you'll be counting your extra dollars in no time. So, you see, it's not just about bookmarks, it's about bookmarking, a place for some serious cash in your life. Number 4. Selling planners. Ever thought about selling planners? So imagine this seller who's the real MVP in a planner game. They've got over 40,000 sales and cashed in on close to $1 million, all thanks to selling planners. You heard that right, a cool million just by planning. Starting this business is easy as pie. First, you've got our trusty AI to lend a hand in creating these planners. We're going to run this operation through a print-on-demand service. Sure, you'll have to give up a bit of revenue, but you'll save a truckload of time. And believe me, it's worth it. Now, if you scroll through Etsy's planner aisle, you'll notice a pattern, pun intended. All the best-selling planners sport some snazzy designs, floral patterns, stripes, or even abstract stuff. And guess what? Creating these eye-catching designs with AI is a walk in the park. Just drop a simple prompt like floral pattern design into Midjourney and boom, you've got a bunch of amazing designs at your disposal. Now it's time to work with a print-on-demand service to turn those digital wonders into actual planners like the pros do. Now, we won't get into the nitty-gritty of that here, but hey, if you want a dedicated guide, hit me up in the comments. We got you, fam. With the power of AI, you can make some life-changing money, and we're not just saying it. We believe in you, and we appreciate you being here. You're amazing, and we are in this together. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and until next time, take care and keep on hustling.